Transferring money from a Forex card to a UK bank account is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, ensure that the Forex card you have supports the currency of the UK. Also, check the card balance and find out transfer fee and exchange rate. Then, access the online portal or mobile app associated with your Forex card. This is where you manage your card and transactions. There, look for a section related to money transfers or withdrawals. This might be labeled as send money or transfer funds. Then, select the option to transfer funds to a bank account. Some Forex card providers allow you to transfer money directly to a bank account. After that, provide the details of your UK bank account where you want the funds to be transferred. Include the account holder's name, account number, sort code, and any other required information. Next, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Ensure that it adheres to any maximum or minimum limits set by the Forex card provider. Also, double-check all the details, including the recipient's bank account information, and confirm the transfer request. Some Forex card providers may require additional authorization steps, such as entering a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number. The transferred funds may take some time to reach your UK bank account. Monitor your bank account for incoming funds.